Alright guys, so I had to step out for a second. Robinhood's messing up, it won't let me trade options. Shell is down, I'm losing a couple of bucks. But still optimistic about tomorrow with ticker change. I want to show y'all something right quick because not everyone's doing it. So I don't know if y'all are visual learners, but like, subscribe. Alright? Come on guys, y'all gotta like and subscribe the channel. Let me know what I'm doing good, what y'all like. Comment below, interact with me. Let me know what your place or what you're doing. All right, seriously, like, subscribe. It helps my channel out, it helps y'all out. And I'm also gonna be doing some giveaways. If we hit 50 subscribers, 100 subscribers, and so forth, I'll be giving some giveaways here and there. So y'all help me out and I'll help y'all out. All right. Alright guys, before we go back inside, I want to go over my next option plays that I'm going to be doing here in the next couple of days. As you can see, it's going to be LCA, GNOG, G-N-O-G, Golden Nugget Online Gambling. The stock price is $14 to $15 right now, depending on when you're looking at this. Call options are going to be priced at about $1.80 to $2. The strike price is going to be $20. That's what we're looking at, the strike price. The open interest in this play right here is 7,000. The volume on it is 220, and we're looking at price target once it merges from 30 to 45 once it merges. This is a great play right now for either stock people that want to buy for long term, because it's gonna double your money if you're buying the stocks. It's gonna 5x, 7x your money if you go with the options. Again, risky play, as you can tell right now with Shell. Most of that is options, and I'm losing a ton of money in that right now because of options. But once it goes up, I'll be making a lot of money because of options. So that's gonna be my next play. We'll talk about it more inside once we get in there. All right. All right guys, appreciate y'all watching this video, coming to my page, Mr. Don't Know It All. Listen guys, like and subscribe, comment. It helps my channel, it helps me grow, it helps y'all make money. And speaking about money, once we start reaching higher subscribe numbers, 50, 100, 250, 500, 1,000, I'm going to start giving giveaways. So I'm asking y'all to do something for me. This is me doing something for y'all in return as well too, all right? So we'll have some gift cards or something, whatever y'all prefer, as far as, the prize. Like if we get to 50, I'm looking to give away a $25 gift card to Amazon or something that y'all want. Like I said, that's me asking y'all to like, subscribe, and comment to my channel in order to be able to get that gift card. But I'm also giving back to y'all because y'all are giving to me as well too, right? So help me make money. I help y'all make money. We'll make money together with the stock market as well too. Today, the day's not looking so great. You're looking at Shell being down, LCA and Workhorse, and those are up. Shell is my biggest play right now, so that's the one I'm concerned about, and that's why I keep talking about it. But the job count came out. It's less than it was last week. That's going to help the market. Stimulus stocks is still going on. They're still talking about stimulus checks. Last night they met, and I think they're still doing it this morning as well too. So they're somewhat alive, so that helps the stock market as well too, okay? The stock market over general right now, it's up. Shell and some of the other spec plays are the ones that are down, which kind of sucks. But hey, we knew this was going to happen come, Thursday and Friday. We knew we were going to have a sell-off. I didn't think it was going to be this big of a sell-off on Thursday. This could be just because a lot of people are scared that it's not going to merge, or scared that that ticker change is not going to change tomorrow, which it is, and it's okay to be scared. But guys, when you sell, that's when you lose. When you sell, that's when you lose money, because it's going to go back up. Yeah, it might take a day, it might take a week, it might take a month, but that's why you also play these options long term, not short term, okay? If you have stock in Shell, you're fine. Write it out long term, that's okay. We're down, but it's going to change tomorrow, and I think that's why there's a sell-off, because people are scared that it's not going to change, so they're selling this. And hey, if you want to take a profit, that's fine, but don't come back and say, man, I wish I would have kept it, because it's gonna go back up, okay? Buy the dip. If you got some money, buy the dip. Right now, if I had some extra cash, I would have bought some more call options. It's just because they're cheaper right now than they were last week. But I got all my money tied up on Shell right now with these call options. So price target has changed a little bit, and I know I said that I was thinking, $90, $100. Now I'm a little bit more conservative now with everything that's going on with and seeing how much people are selling off. I'm thinking about maybe tomorrow 70s, 60s, 70s. Tomorrow, I know we're going to have another sell-off tomorrow when the ticker changes, just because people want to take profits, want to get out of here because they've been tied in this for a while already, okay? And that's all right. But remember, Friday after market close, the weekend, FOMO's going to set in. Retailers will want to be able to invest. People like you and me want to get that money in and don't want to miss out. So that price is going to rise, okay? And then you got the big institutions. Listen, they can't buy. Oh, I mean, they can, but I mean, why would they want to? They don't want to risk the client's money. They can't buy this SPAC before it merges, because if they buy, hundreds of thousands of shares, the merger doesn't go through. Boom, all their investors lost money. Okay, these big institutions want secure money. Okay, they want to make sure the merger goes through. Once it's HYLN Hyliion, they're gonna buy. These big institutions will buy. They're happy with their 5% rate of return on these investments for their clients, and these clients are happy. They look at their bank and, hey, I just got 5% return, great. But we're not. We want double. We want 5 times. We want 7 times. We want money. Okay, so keep that in mind. That once this ticker changes, you got big institutions buying. To Monday, Tuesday. So now my price range is going to be that 80 to 90 high range, but that's going to be for Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, so you got to keep track of this play. Make sure that you're on your game Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, because I think that's what's going to take off. I'm not as optimistic as I was for $100. I'm looking at like I said, 80 and 90, which is still great. If you look at your long call calculator on there for options, you'll see that that's still great money as well. Okay, so it's still a great time to get in these options if you have the money to buy options. Play the long term. Shell, this is going to be your last time that you can get these options right here, because once the ticker changes, like I said, it's going to go off. Hey, it might dip low, okay? But keep your head on strong, okay? Listen, if you have to put on your own, you have to have your own price target, okay? If 50, 60 is yours, sell at that. If it's 70, sell at that. If it gets up to 80, 90, that's yours, sell at that. Don't get greedy, because once it hits those, that might be the time. And listen, with Robinhood messing up like it's been today, God, I hope that doesn't happen Friday and Monday. I really hope it doesn't, because I haven't been able to get into my trade options all morning. That's why I hate Robinhood, okay? But then again, with Webull, I have people saying that they get locked out once there's a ticker change, okay? So it's one of those things that, I didn't have that problem with Nikola when they merged, but I've been having that problem with Shell when I was buying options like 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago. I'm having that problem today. So let's hope Robinhood doesn't mess up. And make sure you have your own price target and sell at what you're comfortable with and what you're happy with, okay? So the next one is going to be LCA. Like I was talking about outside, I think LCA is a great play right now. It's cheap. It's $14 to $15. The calls are $1.80 to $2. I can't tell because I can't get into my options. But if you're looking to double your money, you buy these stock shares right now. Once that merger changes, we're going to look at it being like DraftKings when it hit those 30s, okay? This is going to be the next competitor to DraftKings, okay? So they're going to go big as well, too. I think options are great. You have November 20th place as well, too, strike price 20. It has a lot of open interest. That means, people having them. It has some volume on it. People are trading them as well, too. So keep an eye out on that. I really like that play. I already have 2, but I bought them when they were $4 because I had some extra cash and I wanted to throw it somewhere. So I did LCA. It's down about $200 right now. But being that it's 180, I would buy them right now. As soon as I get out of my Shell position, I'm going to buy LCA because I really think it's undervalued right now. A lot of people aren't looking at it. I would definitely get some stock shares, some options on this as well too. You're going to be looking at 5x, 7x your money as well too once you buy these options if you play them right. The January calls for 2021 aren't bad either. Those are not bad if you want to give yourself a little cushion. Like I always say, you want to buy your options further out. Even though you're paying a higher premium, it's better to buy them further out because you have some cushion to play with, some cushion to be scared, some cushion not to sell. I know a lot of people's workhorse are going out tomorrow. Workhorse is doing better than what it was doing yesterday. I know it had a little leak thing. I haven't really looked into it, so I really didn't want to make a video about it because I couldn't verify that that was a leak, or even if they were added to that yesterday, or it could have been that they were added that to a month, 2 months ago, nobody paid attention. So that's why I haven't made a video about it. Okay, so like I said, LCA is going to be my next play that I'm going to put some money in. Once I get out of this shell position, that's what I'm going to do. I think it's a great stock right now, and it's cheap. Get in it, buy some shares if you want to play the long term. If you want to play the short term, be dangerous, be risky, then buy some options. That's where you're going to make your money, all right? So let's get into the numbers and let's see where we're at right now. All right, guys. Y'all see here where we are expecting high traffic. You can still place trades, but other functionalities may be impacted. Really, Robinhood? Like, I've been trying to get into the options right here all morning and it hasn't let me. This is ridiculous. So like I said, hey, we're down some money. We're down $1,712 right now, which is ridiculous. Over the week, down $800. Over the last month, down $6,000. 3 months, $700. The reason why we're down $6,000 a month out and like not 3 months or a year is because last month in August, that's when we saw that huge $58 shell price, and that sucker was at almost $16,000. So yeah, I'm down some money on this. And looking at hindsight, hindsight's 2020. I should have sold some of that and came back and bought more. But at that time, I really wasn't thinking that this sector was going to go down. I mean, we were all freaking high on it. We were like, it's going to go up. It's never going to stop. We're going to 200. Boom, reality hit. Hey, we're not going to 200, at least not right now. I do think it's going to be 200 in the future. In probably 6 months to a year, it'll be 200, but not right now. Shell is at $47, is down 5.5%. Workhorse, it's up almost 1%, $25. LCA, which I've been telling you about, is up as well too, but it's still a great buy right now at $14.43. My options, this was bringing me down. They're down 26% and 30%. Like I'm saying, this right here, I bought these originally at $5.60. They're at $3.75. If you have some extra money you can throw at this, buy these right here for October 16th, okay? Because listen, that's some money. You can still make some money right now, because right now the reason why there's a sell-off is because people don't believe or are scared that the ticker's not going to change tomorrow. So if that's the case, they're selling off. I mean, look at this. Look at these sell-offs right here. 50,000, 60,000, a little bit buyback, but then we got another sell-off, another big sell-off right there. So, I mean, that's all you're seeing right now, sell-offs, okay? But, like I said, it's going to go up tomorrow. You buy yourself some calls for 1016. You're going to be rewarded with a good payday, okay? It's going to go up. Again, we'll have some sell-offs tomorrow as well, too, some sell-offs Monday. But people are going to be buying, big institutions are going to be buying in. So keep an eye out at this tomorrow, Monday, and Tuesday. That's when the biggest movement is going to be. Hopefully, freaking Robinhood won't mess up again. My workhorse options are still for the 23rd. They're at bottom at $5 at $4.60. So on this one, I'm losing a little bit of money, but I've been all the way up to $2,000 on these, and I've been down all the way to like $500 on these. Okay, right now I'm down $80, but on the workhorse, I'm thinking that, or I'm hoping that the announcement will come out. Hopefully the second week of October, or this month. It's already October. So I'm still going to be in play for the October 23rd calls on that. So keep an eye out. Like I said, I've seen some videos about the leaks. Nobody has been able to verify that if they've already been added prior to yesterday, or if yesterday was when it leaked and they were added to it. I haven't seen a video or research where it's been verified that they haven't been on that already. So that's why I haven't done a video on it. And my LCA options, this is the ones that I told you that I bought a while back. It's when they were $4.20. I'm down to $45, which it's okay, because this right here, I'm looking to buy some more of options of these right here once my shell position closes out. This is another play. I bought some shares and some options as well too. Then the play after that is still going to be workhorse right here. And then the play after that's going to be DPHC, which is Lordstown Diamond Peak Holdings, because they're also coming up with their merger and they have a ton of pre-orders. Hey, listen guys, I appreciate y'all watching the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It helps the channel out. It helps me to know that y'all are liking these videos. Comment and let me know the plays that you are doing. Let me know what's causing you some issues with the stocks, with the calls. Let me know so we can work this out together so we can make money together in the stock, okay? Also, talking about making money, as soon as we hit 50 subscribers, I'm going to be giving out $25 gift cards. Once we hit 100, 500, 1,000, I'm gonna be doing more giveaways as well too. But y'all gotta like, y'all gotta subscribe, and y'all gotta comment on these videos. For real, come on guys. Y'all act like it's hard. Like, subscribe, and comment, all right? And like always, guys, lights out.